God, you guys were right. Working for somebody who is a Russian nationality was the worst decision I could have ever done. I got you guys. So, ever since I posted a video saying I was going to be working for a company and it came out that they're Russian, I've had some people saying, oh, you shouldn't work for them or this, that, whatever. And so this is going to be a little bit of a rant. I'm sorry, but it is what it is. So, I don't care if you're black, you're white, you're Mexican, you're Chinese, you're gay, you're lesbian, you're trans, or what other thing you want to add on there, okay? At the end of the day, it shouldn't matter, right? Because if they're treating you right and you're making money, that's what matters. And on top of that, it really, when it comes to employers, there's a lot of things you want to look into, okay? So, this company has been around for a while, okay? So, just drop the Russian, okay? The company's been around since like 95 or earlier. I know definitely around 95. So, they've been around for a while. They had a good track record. I contacted a broker, actually more than one broker. But I've met a broker on my YouTube channel, and I asked him to look up this company. They had good ratings, good credit, and no major problems. When I went out to them and I looked at their trucks and their trailers, their shop, and all of it, mind you, yeah, their yard is pretty small, okay? But they had new equipment. The people in the shop had good quality tools. Hell, they do their own alignment in the shop. I don't even think Swift does their own alignments, okay? Because the equipment is expensive. Swift just sends you out to go get one. They do it right there in the shop. So, they do a lot. So, yeah, I went and worked for a Russian company. And I've been keeping track of a lot. Okay, this notebook is pretty much filled out. So I've now been working for them for a total of 5 weeks paid. They do hold 1 week back, so you're not paid for the week that you just worked. You're paid for a week back. I thought at first that they paid you for the same week that you worked. It's actually, yeah. Anyway, besides that, so I got 5 weeks of paid work, a little bit over a month. So 1 month in and a week, I got some good reviews, or some opinions. Some of the things I will say, let's get the downsides off, because frankly, my downsides are actually quite small, and that's the ones that you guys are probably worried about the most. They don't have terminals. Honestly, that's something that I'm kind of like, hey, that kind of sucks, because knowing where I could go get laundry done, knowing where I absolutely can find parking, showers, and some necessities, I did kind of like that with Swift when I was OTR, okay? I've been dedicated for a while. But just knowing that in different locations I would be traveling to, that they had those services at one location was awesome, without high expensive truck stops. This company, they only have one real yard in Chicago. But at that yard, it comes with 2 cars. It doesn't come with washer or dryer or anything like that. And at nighttime, they lock the office up. So that kind of sucks, because if you need to use the bathroom, you gotta go grab one of the rental cars and go to the truck stop, which I guess it's not that bad of a deal. There's not a truck stop, a gas station. Gas station is just right around the corner. And you can grab yourself something to drink and a snack if you really wanted to. But having a car there is just like a massive thing. It makes it so easy to run into town and go do something. And you don't have to track the mileage or anything like that. You just use it. So that's pretty good. So I kind of do miss not having a terminal or terminal access. The the other downside with this company, I have noticed that sometimes there is a little bit of a communication issue over the phone. In the beginning, they speak perfect English, but their accent is a little strong. But 100% understandable, okay? I have no problem talking with them. Now, on a side note of that, my dispatcher is awesome. I can get a hold of him 24 hours, 7 days a week. Even if he is home, I can get a hold of him if I need to. So if I have a problem, I can send him a text. They also have a night dispatch, so you can reach out to them. But if for some reason night dispatch can't take care of it, you can reach out to your driver manager or dispatcher. That seems like a little small detail, but if you are a driver, you would know like how big of a deal that really is. I've had a few problems on the road already with the truck. I have bad luck with trucks. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you would already know that. I always seem to find the truck that's broken. Or I just do really good at pre-tripping my truck. I don't know. So I've had to get some repairs done. Minor, but still. They've been really quick about getting those repairs done and not having me sit for hours waiting around. So I don't know if they pay a premium to get a road service out to me like right away. But, you know, for instance, I had a broken airline. And generally, you know, when Swift told me, oh, you know, Loves or TA would be out there in an hour, it was like 3 hours later when they finally showed up. It was some independent company that came out. But, you know, I was told that they would be there in an hour. I had already wrote it off. It'd be like 3 hours from now. He showed up 20 minutes. 20, 30 minutes, something like that. He showed up quicker than my Uber food. Like, I ordered Uber, and he showed up before my food. And he got the truck fixed, lickety split. So, it was not like some backwood mechanic guy. No, he knew his stuff. So, that was awesome. Anyway, I'll do a video of other pros and cons. If you guys want to know more, just put down in the comment section some of your questions. I did order a new laptop, by the way, so videos will be coming out soon. I should be getting a laptop in about another week. It's being custom built. Not cheap. There will be a laptop reveal, don't worry about it. Anyway, so let's talk about the pay. So, I condensed the information from here to 2 sheets of paper over here. So in 5 weeks, I've gotten paid $12,555. Now, there's a couple $100 missing from that. So it probably would have been like $13,000 to $14,000. Some of it is just some missing pay, and then they also take out $200 each week for I forgot how many weeks. Because if you do something that's against their policy, they charge you for it. Where Swift, they just take away your bonus. So with this company, you put, you know, so much money on credit. With Swift, they just take away your money. Different ways of doing it. Honestly, I think I like this system better because the Swift bonus was $500 a month, every month, if you didn't do something right during that whole month. With this company, you give them it's like $1,000 or something like that. It's a small amount. It's not a big deal. And if you quit and you didn't do anything wrong, you get that money back anyway. So to me, I see that as a savings account. Because I'm not going to screw anything up that's going to be my fault. Or I'm going to make sure I don't do anything that's going to be my fault. So, $12,555. Divide that by 5 for the 5 weeks. That comes out to a grand total of $2,511. Now, I could probably get that up a little bit. I know my first week was not the best week with this company because I did go home and I had a little bit of issue using their fuel card and a few other things. When you join a different company, they do things different. And then working with a new dispatcher, there's like, you got to work with them. And they got to figure out what you want. So I see that my pay coming into this month and the next month should be more per week. But $2,500 a week, that ain't bad. That ain't bad at all. Now let's talk about the mileage. In 5 weeks, I did 16,741 miles, or on average 3,348 miles a week. Divide that over 6 days, that comes out to about 558 miles. And then I'm starting to track my mileage per trip and my average speed per trip. I don't have enough data on that one yet because I just started doing that. I didn't think to start doing that until kind of like after the fact. But on the trips that I've been doing it, I've been able to average 60 and 62 miles. This one over here is 60. Sorry, I should have probably wrote this on my piece of paper. The lowest one is 55 miles, 56 miles in one day. That was a kind of crappy day. That was actually out in California. I did do a pickup, but I didn't have to spend a lot of time on duty there. And then I was stuck at, well, California speed. Although, well, it's California. I'll leave it at that. We all love California. But, yeah, so I've been averaging above 60 miles an hour. And I'm loving that. Yeah. So, I see my pay going up a couple hundred a month. Or a couple hundred a week. I think I can hit 27, 28 in a week as a solo driver. I'm solo, guys. Okay, I'm not training, not yet. Oh, that wasn't the other question I've been having. Yes, I am going to be training, and yes, I'm doing my own training program here at this company, and then I'm going to be having mentors coming on, or trainers, whatever name you want to call them, that are going to be using my program. So that's already been set up with the company. They're A-okay with that, and they're thrilled to have that. And that's where I was trying to do that with Swift, but it never happened. I'm also working on a few other small things, but can't really or don't want to release that information yet. But if it happens, it'd be pretty cool. So stay tuned for that. And also remember, I'm getting close to 10,000 subscribers. Once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm still going to be giving away 10 ounces of silver. So I almost said that word wrong. So if you've been a long time viewer, keep viewing and you can win 10 ounces of silver. I think I want to do a giveaway when I hit 15 or something on my way up to 20. I'll figure that out at the time. And then the other thing I might do, anyone that goes through my training program, I might have a cash bonus for that. For maybe both the mentors that are doing it as well as the students. Not sure. Now that would be coming out of my own pocket. So I have not quite formulated the whole idea yet. That's going to come down more when I really get my laptop in and can look at my numbers. To figure out what kind of money I can kind of toss into that. But, you know, the one thing I want to make sure is anyone that's using my program, that the training is going to be top notch. So to me, that's going to be very, very important. And to this company, They actually respect that, and I really like that. So overall, how happy am I working for this company? I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. The 1099 is not really a problem. My health insurance, yes, it does cost a little bit more. It's about $480 a month. But it's a 100% tax write-off. So at the end of the year, I can write off all my medical expenses. So with the more money that I'm making per month, per year, I have a bigger tax write-off. There's also so much more I can write off that you can't as a company driver or a regular W-2. So being a 1099 has some major benefits. I'm trying to work with a program with some health agents, a tax agent, and maybe a credit repair person. So, you know, you can get some awesome services at super low prices that can be a major benefit, especially if you're trying to improve your credit score, get your, get some health insurance, and have your taxes done being on 1099 to where you get the most amount of money in your pocket every month. So, yeah. Sorry I haven't really been making a lot of videos, but since my laptop's been stolen, I'm stuck to using my phone. Can't use my GoPros, and frankly, using my phone is just, it's a bit of a hassle, I guess, a little bit. But, yeah, I'll have my laptop soon, and I'll be doing a lot of videos of me on the road, going to different areas, and hopefully maybe meeting some of you guys. So, yeah, we'll have to see what's up. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, you should. Because once I hit 10,000, like I said, 10 ounces of free silver. With shipping. You're not going to have to pay shipping or anything. I'll ship it to you. I don't care where you're at. Anywhere in the world. If you're in Mars, I'm sorry. You'll have to get with Elon Musk for that. But, yeah, that's it. So, see you guys later.